Get into the 2024 Hyundai Tucson. Choose the compact crossover that delivers an outstanding combination of quality, comfort, and safety. The Tucson. Remarkable for its smooth, refined ride, upscale European-inspired interior, standard touchscreen infotainment and driver assistance features, this SUV sets the bar for excellence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, satellite radio, power liftgate, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels. Get the quality and safety you deserve when you take the wheel of this Tucson. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.